Hi, welcome to Phoenix Blue Designs and Travel, and we are staying at the Inn at Rehoboth Beach. I believe we got a king room, king deluxe, and so let me show you the room. As you come in the door, the bathroom was to the right. Here's the sink, and it did come with some toiletries, conditioner, let's see, there it is, and shampoo, and also soap. And soap is there. And they also provided makeup remover wipe, a makeup remover wipe. And then as you go down, tissues, washcloths, hand towels, bath towels, extra toilet paper, a laundry bag because they do have on-site laundry, and that's my Domex. That's not, they didn't provide that. And I do like that they have a hook on the back of the door. Now, in the bathroom, turn on the light and turn off the fan. The fan is very strong, but we still have our potpourri. So here's the bathroom, the tub, shower combo, shower curtain, of course a towel to put down for any water that spills or comes out. I will say we do like the room. It's just, it can be a little worse for wear. It's like people came and did not take care of the room. And now let's go out to the main room. We have a full-length mirror. And I do like this little landing area where you can hang your things, set things down. It looks like a little cubby down here. And then they also have down here a coffee maker, cups, a bucket for your ice. Hi Bosco, how are you, Bosco? A microwave and a refrigerator. And a refrigerator, this door is strong. There we go. Ooh, it was bleeding. I'll fix it. It has just a little tiny freezer, and then the rest is the refrigerator. Oh, there it goes. And a full-length TV, and then even more table space for your items. This is the king bed. It is huge. There's 2 tables on the side, and the table have lamps. You actually have to turn these 2 on for the whole thing, and I like that it has electrical outlets and USB ports right here at the lamp. And I believe this was renovated in 2022. This is 2023. So it's very, very nice renovation. Here's a nice comfy love seat. You'll see that, again, worse for wear. You have people who just did not take care of it. Air conditioner, and the air conditioner does make a hum, like a humming noise. Another chair, a fireplace, and it does actually work. There's a little switch right on the wall. There's the fake fireplace, but not so fake because it actually pushes out heat. And I thought that was really nice. And there's Bosco again. Hey buddy, how you doing? And then they have a standing lamp here and a nice sofa bed, because I believe this does pull out into a bed. And then a nice little coffee table. And I like that they have Rehoboth beach guides out. These were out at the front desk. And then there's actually this Delaware Beach and Beyond book, and it's 2023. So I don't know if they update it every year, but I think that was nice, something in the room to help you get more familiar with the area. And then right over here is the other side table. The same setup where you have to hit both of these to turn on the light fully. And of course the electrical outlets and the USB ports. And the phone is over here. So that's it for the inn at Rehoboth. Hi, Mr. Vanna. That's my hubby. He's so cute. So that's it. And thank you for watching Phoenix Blue Designs and Travel. And so far, I'm actually liking this hotel. Again, yet another spot where you can see where just people did not take care of the item. But it's a very nice renovation. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Thank you and goodbye. So here's the seating area that's adjacent to the breakfast. Okay, they have breakfast.
Donald Trump and President Biden reacting to Trump looking at the Fulton County Jail. Let's bring in our roundtable with the DNC Chair Donna Brazil, the Dispatch Senior Editor Sarah Isker, Washington Post editorial writer Charles Lane, and the Local Language Journal.
Make your own waffle.
Thanks for flying up here and joining us.
And tables. TV. And here's the coffee station. And it is 24 hours, 24/7. So hot water, caffeinated coffee, yuck, and the house blend. They do have creamers. I think that's just basic original, and then vanilla. Tea, stirs, some napkins, and sugar and sweet and low. There's also a pool here at the inn at Rehoboth. Oh wow, they even have a bathroom changing room. The spa is closed though. Wow. Spa closed. They have chairs, tables, and here's the pool. It does smell of chlorine, but I'm guessing that's a good thing. You know that they're using it, and the water is not green. It's actually pretty clear. Some more tables over here too, and trash receptacles. So not bad. And this is the carpet. This is only the downside. The carpet outside of the rooms is pretty dirty. I forgot to tell you that the hotel is pet friendly with plenty of space to walk your dog. There's a daily fee listed for pets along with the weight limit, but we booked through a third party, Expedia.com, and paid no fee. The Rehoboth Beach Strip is also pet friendly. Shops even have bowls of water out for pets. Currently though, between May 1st and September 30th, dogs are not allowed on the boardwalk or beach. Again, thank you for watching Phoenix Blue Designs and Travel, and we hope you get a chance to get out there.